Now we're tracking the latest on the local response to the Ebola virus. While there have been no reports of any new cases in the U.S. in recent weeks, the outbreak is still ongoing in West Africa. Tonight, the head of the Rhode Island Health Department gave an update on the state's preparations. Eyewitness News reporter Madeline Wright is live in the newsroom with the details that are new at 11.
Shannon, the Rhode Island Health Director says the spread of Ebola is slowing down in West Africa, but it's still a significant health threat, and Rhode Islanders need to be vigilant. Rhode Island Health Director Michael Fine says the world has a much better handle on the Ebola outbreak now than it did 2 months ago.
Good public health practice in West Africa has reduced the amount of Ebola transmission in West Africa.
Fine gave the update at an educational lecture Thursday in Pawtucket, a city with a large West African community. But Fine says the Ebola death toll is near 7,000. And with the outbreak still out of control, Rhode Islanders need to be prepared.
Ebola is certainly a big problem should you get it.
Fine says right now Rhode Island is monitoring 18 people who have recently been to West Africa.
Anyone who travels from West Africa, we hear about from CDC when they land, and we are in touch with them every day for 21 days. Because should they get a symptom, we would want to evaluate them, and should they have Ebola, get them into isolation right away.
2 Pawtucket firefighters came to Fine's lecture Thursday to learn more about Ebola. They've worried about what to do if they ever came across an infected patient.
When this all first started, we were a little bit more nervous because we weren't so prepared and there was so little information about it. But now that, we have things like this, we do department-wide training about it. The nerves are a little bit at ease.
Ebola outbreaks have been stopped in the past, and with good public health collaboration, Fine says this one can be stopped too. Live in the newsroom, Madeline Wright, Eyewitness News.